Presenting the Amazfit GTS2 mini smartwatch with 3.94 cm. It comes in color options of Meteor Black and Pink, Green and Midnight Black. It comes with crystal clear image and sharp details. It supports female cycle tracking and 24-H heart rate tracking, sleep quality monitoring, stress level monitoring and BioTracker 2 ppg, and monitoring your blood oxygen levels by intelligently monitoring your blood oxygen levels. It also has 70+ built-in sports modes and 5 ATM water resistance. The delivery box contains Amazfit GTS2 Mini 1, charger case 1 and user manual 1. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.